Most people grind 10 hours daily on YouTube Shorts, making nothing. Meanwhile, creators pump out videos in 20 minutes, making $50,000 monthly. The difference? The right niche. Commentary shorts are the foundation. Find viral moments, add voiceover, basic editing. Channels consistently pulling $5,000 to $10,000 monthly. The best part? Sub-niches exploding constantly. Animals, football, true crime. Pick something with less competition, apply the commentary formula, and dominate that smaller space. Brain rot content prints money faster. Take viral audio, slap on Subway Surfers or Minecraft footage, add captions and emojis. These videos take 20 minutes to produce. Hire editors for $2 per video, pump out 5 daily. Channels hitting 400 million views doing essentially nothing. Even with horrible RPMs, that's $40,000 from stolen audio and gameplay. Clipping streamers is the smart move. Find massive creators, clip their best moments as they happen, post immediately. The streamer already built the audience. Just siphon viewers who want more content. The downside? Channel lives and dies with that streamer. But targeting English-speaking streamers means solid RPMs and engaged audiences. Wholesome content hits different. Cute dogs, heartwarming moments, feel-good stories. People don't just watch this. They share it everywhere. It's sponsor-friendly and advertiser gold. The challenge? Finding authentic clips that haven't been done to death, but crack the code and the numbers become life-changing. Movie edits are going nuclear right now. Take film moments, add trending music, proper editing. Videos hitting 10, 20, even 50 million views. Studios now encourage this after the Creed edit got 200 million views. Copyright risk is dropping. The opportunity is expanding. Motivation content separates amateurs from professionals. Channels like Bolt Motivation, averaging $50,000 months purely from AdSense. Videos are evergreen, generating income for months from old content. The easiest path? CTA commentary. Take the basic commentary format, add strategic call to actions mid-video, not at the end, right before the payoff moment. Channels hitting 5 million views in week 3, making $3,000 in the first 7 days. Scale 5 to 10 channels using $1 editors and hit $70,000 monthly. The information is here. The proof exists. Execute or stay broke.